Hey everyone, and welcome to a new quick, awesome, and informative tutorial. And today we'll be learning something very special. Today we'll be learning how to put a time limit on your referral rewards. So the first thing you guys want to do is you guys want to make sure that you're on the Automizely Loyalty admin portal page. And once you're here, you want to click on Customize. And once you do that, you come up here to this page. On the right hand side, click on the option that says rewards will expire after checkbox. So go ahead and tick it on. In this section, you want to add the number of days after which the reward will expire for the advocates. I'll go ahead and change it to 15 days. You can put whatever you want. And you want to do the same thing for the referred friends too. So go ahead and tick on the checkbox, and I'm going to put the same for this one, 15 days. You can put whatever is it that you want. And as you can see, it clearly says the requirements of the coupon valid on orders above 1998 and shipping fees below 1,000, and will expire in 15 days and on 13/10/2021. And once you're done with your changes, just make sure you save your changes. Alright, now since we're done, let's go ahead and test the feature. Let's test what we did. Alright, so let's go ahead and generate an invite link and send it to your friends. So go ahead and enter your email to see if it works. I'll go ahead and put my email. And now let's click on Get Invite Link. Let's go ahead and copy the link. Perfect, so it has been copied. Let's go on the link and see what we get. Awesome. So as soon as your referred friend opens the invite link, your referred friend will get the coupon code, and it'll also say at the bottom that this coupon code will expire in 15 days and on the date mentioned below. So, for example, say your referred friend actually clicks on your link and places an order. They get the coupon reward, and as well as the advocate, they'll be given their coupon reward sent to their email. And it'll also say here that the coupon will expire in 15 days, just like the one with referred friends. That's pretty much how it works. And that's a wrap of the tutorial. Go ahead and try that out and see if it works for you the way it did for me. And say if you're stuck, you're having a problem, or something doesn't feel right, look right, and you have no clue, please give us a quick ping, a quick comment, or a quick email, and we'll make sure we address your issues in no time. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care, good luck, and I'll see you next time.